start here. Your root note being on that 7th fret, 6th string. 7th fret, 6th string, 7th fret, 5th string, 5th fret, 3rd string, 4th string, 7th fret, 4th string, 3rd string. Similar shape. Move the whole shape a whole step down. Slide that. You play this whole chord. 3rd fret, 6th string, 3rd fret, 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th string, 3rd string, 4th fret. Now you want to bend this note, half step, just this note. You want to be careful not to bend the whole chord. It's a thing to get used to if you don't have lighter gauge strings. This is a new gauge I'm trying out. Balanced tension, they call it, from D'Addario. I usually use D'Addarios, but I put super light tops, regular bottom. So we're back to that chord again. And this is pretty much the same chord shape. Slide that pinky, 3rd fret, the 5th whole step. Try to keep everything local. If I know I'm bringing that note here, then I want to try to have the next chord nearby. Play the open G, hammer on to the A, and then pull off into the open G. After the open G, you play the F sharp. Finish with a B major 7. This is it all together. There is a hammer onto the 2nd fret of both the 3rd and 4th string. 2nd fret, 4th string, 3rd fret, 5th string, 3rd fret, 6th string. Basically play up to the 3rd string, but you play that note open up until the hammer on. The notes you're going to want to emphasize in those chords are that last note you're going to want to emphasize in the chord. Okay, so I'll show you how to play this with the hands. that, I'll engage the delay. I'll just play the verse over. I'll play it a little differently. Pattern will change around the second chord, so. Just to see how I'm playing that with my hand. When you only bend that one note, it's pretty similar here. Now this one's a little harder because you're bending a whole note, so. But yeah. So all of that together with the delay. Kind of arpeggiating all the chords. And then right when you get to that third chord, I like to cut on the delay. Bend that note a whole step again. And then you let it go and let the open note ring out. So I'll show you hand the picking. Keep in mind the dynamics, so you'll want to play this part a little quieter. And really attack that last chord. And then you just want to jump like right back down when you're ready to go back to that G. This shape is 5th fret, 3rd, 5th, 5, 5, 3, 5. So all being played 6th, 5th, 4th, and 3rd string. Just transfer that shape a whole step. Now you're playing the 9th fret, 7th fret, 4th string, 6th fret, 3rd string. Play that open B. Take that shape from the 9th to the 5th fret. You're still finishing off with that open B. You want the B to be separate the first time you play it, but you also want it to be prominent in that second strum. So, first strum you wanna stop here and then pluck that open B. So Last outro. Play that open B, and again, that open B is going to just be an accent for all the chords you're going to play. I play the chord like this. It's a bit more ergonomic for my hand, so it helps me hit all the notes clearly. To show you, I stretched my hand, and you can still get some clean notes out of that, but it's a bit difficult to play like this. And this just slides all the way up to the 11. So your roots are going to start on the 4th fret. And again. Start with this shape. Back down to the 5th. Now this, same shape as the shape from the beginning. Literally just half step down. Right there. Same shape.